All right, hi, I'm Ryan Barber here at Century Communities at Enclave at Pine Grove, featuring the Bronte floor plan, our most popular floor plan out here. And as we enter here, we do have a study over here with the powder bathroom that's separated from the main floor entertainment spaces. And then as we proceed over here, we do have the stairs that go to the full basement here. And then we also feature a nice open stairway with 2 landings going upstairs to the loft, which we will show here shortly. And then my partner here will tell you all about the kitchen and the living area.
Hi, I'm Janet. This is our extended kitchen. This is one of the best parts of this house. As you can see, you get an enormous island, lots of cabinet space. This house has our chef's kitchen. And we have our great room over here, nice big dining area. There's lots of room for entertaining in this house.
So as we continue upstairs through the 2 landings up here with our wrought iron railing, a designer or you can professionally pick the stain on this railing. And as we get to the loft here, we do have our laundry in the center away from all the bedrooms. And then we have our primary suite back here, which I'll have Ethan lead the way here. And this very easily fits a king-size mattress with lots of windows. We do have a nice walk-in closet, and then our 5-piece bathroom in here with some beautiful tile work that was hand-chosen by our designers that you could work with.
And then come on this way. I'll take you to see the secondary bedrooms. So on the other side of the loft, we have the hall to the secondary bedrooms where we have 3 bedrooms here that share a bath. We do have an option for an extra bathroom up here as well.